Hi there, students. Reclusive, an adjective. A recluse, the person. So a recluse is a person who lives isolated from the rest of the world. A person who lives in seclusion because they want to withdraw from society. A hermit is a recluse. Howard Hughes was a famous recluse. He lived a reclusive life and avoided the public. The North Korean leader is reclusive and does not often appear in public. I sat in the reclusive calm of my garden and thought about the world and the things that happen. Okay, so reclusive, with little contact with the outside world. Many religious orders are reclusive. They don't want to have contact with the world around them. It's easy to see lions in the wild, but tigers are much more reclusive. So, solitary, retiring, withdrawn, isolated, secluded, monastic, hermit-like, sequestered. Michael Jackson became a recluse after being accused of molesting children. He didn't want to be seen in public. The monks of a monastery on the top of a mountain in the Himalayas are recluses. They are reclusive. So, a recluse is a person who lives a solitary life, but notice it's voluntary because they want to. They don't want to live in society. Reclusive, an adjective, retiring from society, seeking an isolated life. I have to admit I'm a bit of a reclusive, except when it comes to internet, that is. My neighbour is very reclusive. I only ever see him about once a year, so he doesn't have much contact with people. Okay, what about formality? I think I'd probably give this 5.5 to 6 in formality. It sounds a tiny bit literary, but I think you could use this anywhere informally, but formally better. Maybe informally you might say shut off from the world, separate from the world, secluded from the world. And then what about the origin? Well, there's an old French word, reclus, and that itself comes from the Latin verb recludere, to disclose, to open, which is claudo, to close. So maybe very closed, something like that. Okay, so a recluse. Howard Hughes, somebody who never comes out in society. Reclusive, the adjective to describe that person. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Don't be too reclusive. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Recluse, reclusive.